Are you spending more time on admin and less time growing your business? It's a common story. For many small business owners, the daily grind of finances, invoicing, and expenses can feel like a mountain of paperwork that keeps you from the real work you love. You started your business to bring your passion to life, not to wrestle with spreadsheets. But what if your business financial platform could actively help you turn that time drain into fuel for growth? That's the difference Tide makes. We're not just about business accounts, we're about empowering you to save time, money, and focus on your customers. We're here to share the real-life stories of businesses, just like yours, who use Tide to transform their operations and achieve incredible growth. Take the Urban Baker, a small, independent bakery that was drowning in receipts. Their founder, Sarah, spent every Sunday manually reconciling paper expenses. She estimated it took her 4 hours a week, 4 hours she could have spent developing new recipes or sourcing local ingredients. With Tide's instant expense management and receipt matching features, that 4-hour admin session turned into a 15-minute check-in. Sarah told us that saving that time was like hiring a part-time employee for free. She used those extra hours to launch an online pre-order system, which saw their weekly revenue jump by over 30% in just 3 months. That's the power of reclaiming your time. Then there's Pixel Pros, a graphic design studio that was struggling with late payments. Chasing invoices was awkward and time-consuming, negatively impacting their cash flow. They needed a professional, seamless system. By using Tide's integrated invoicing, they could create and send professional-looking invoices straight from the app, and crucially, they could automatically track when payments were due and send polite, automated reminders. Their average invoice payment time dropped by nearly a week. This improved cash flow allowed them to invest in a new, high-powered workstation, enabling them to take on bigger, more profitable client projects. For them, Tide wasn't just a banking tool, it was their cash flow engine. These stories aren't unique. From freelancers to growing consultancies, entrepreneurs are using Tide's smart features, like invoice management, accounting integrations, and credit options, to move beyond just surviving and start truly thriving. Tide helps you streamline the boring stuff so you can get back to the exciting stuff. It gives you clear, real-time visibility of your finances so you can make quicker, smarter decisions about investment and growth. It's the platform built to be your business partner. If you're ready to stop letting admin hold you back, it's time to see how Tide can support your next chapter of growth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.